In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Honkai Star Rail with a controller. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you have to do is make sure you have the latest version of Honkai Star Rail installed and open up, sign into the game and load in. After you are loaded into the world, all you have to do now is connect your controller to your computer. If Honkai Star Rail is running properly and you are able to connect your controller to your computer, it will be automatically detected by Star Rail. You can use Bluetooth or USB, whatever method you prefer, and once the controller is connected, as you can see over here, all the keybinds will be properly and automatically updated. So you will notice that I can use X to attack, Y to use my technique, run with the right bumper, etc. You can open up the navigation menu and hover over all the options using your controller. Like I said, I'm just using a generic controller. You can use any controller that you have as long as it's properly detected by your computer. Access the buttons info, and in here you can change all the keybinds as you wish. You will be able to play through the entirety of the game using the controller, control the camera, go into battle, etc. Also keep in mind that as of today, you will only be able to play using a controller on the PC version of the game. Mobile currently does not have support for any sort of gamepad or controller unless you use external tools that might violate the terms of service of the game. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Honkai Star Rail with a controller. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.